In this video, I'll show you how I went from having no money to generating $5,000 a day. And I'll walk you through the process I went through to get to this position in my internet business. In addition, the modern method that is helping so many beginners achieve this level in a much shorter period of time that even I achieved, while these procedures will optimize your effort. This does not remove the fact that there is a lot of hard work involved, and this isn't going to happen overnight either. These tactics, on the other hand, will aid you in creating an online business that will last a lifetime. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now let's talk about starting from zero. Here's why I enjoy teaching people how I start from scratch and generate the amount of income they desire online. Beginning from scratch allows you to accomplish a number of things. First and foremost, anyone can realistically begin from the ground up, correct? It's because there are some people who may have a budget, and there are those people who have absolutely nothing when they first started out on their journey. Either of the two scenarios is perfectly acceptable. That being said, the thing I like best about starting from zero is that it encourages me to be uncomfortable. Now, why do we feel uncomfortable? Put it in another way. In order to better understand, imagine if you entered any professional athletic game with no prior knowledge of how to play the game. It's as if you're starting from the beginning and you're possibly even starting behind in that. After that, you'll begin to see results from your hard work as you continue to progress. Thus, you are positioned as the underdog with absolutely nothing to lose. So you might as well go all out. As a matter of fact, this is how I started. I was compelled to be resourceful. I was forced to keep my costs, if I had any at all, to bare minimum in order to survive. I'm talking about these things like food and other things other than business expenses that you have to pay for in your daily life. It also requires you to make educated decisions when it comes to determining which path to take your business in and which business tools you should utilize. Furthermore, it provides you with that do or die pressure, making you feel like it's now or never in some ways. This has to work out in the end, and I'm putting everything on the line. The next step in all of these is deciding on a business model that you want to pursue. It's worth mentioning that many people suffer from shiny object syndrome in the first stage of their venture due to the abundance of commercials for learning how to trade, learn how to establish an e-commerce store, learn how to perform affiliate marketing, and whatever else you can think of. There's a lot of noise out there. My purpose is not to criticize any of these business models because they are all successful in their own right. All of the billionaire and multimillionaire entrepreneurs you see have demonstrated time and time again that all the strategies of making money online are effective ways to make money. And so the trick is deciding which one you want to stick with and building on the momentum of feeling good about your decision to stick with that one. Because the reality is that before anything gets better, before anything becomes profitable, or before anything generates consistent money, things will get tougher before they get easier. I can give you my word for it. Entrepreneurs, new content creators, and people who are just getting started are all vulnerable to feeling disheartened and thinking this doesn't work for me, and they try a different strategy as well. So instead of staying on one route and writing out those 3 to 6 months of no results and no income, many get caught up in the spiral and cycle of shiny object syndrome. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The next thing we're talking about today is the niche. Choosing a niche can be fun because many people want to discover what the most profitable niches are. It's a difficult topic to answer because any specialty has the potential to be extremely profitable. It just all depends on how you are positioning it. Every single one of us has different problems in different categories. We have problems in wealth, health, and even relationships. We have problems on odd things like problems on being crafty or even ice skating. We just have to choose our niche on something we are passionate about because there are millions of people that are interested in exactly what it is you are talking about or passionate about. The traffic is the next stage that we're going to discuss right now. And the key to accomplishing this is to create a community or an audience around your business. Assuming that you've chosen a business model, then you have selected a profitable niche. And now for the strategy that no one seems to be talking about, and what is the most efficient way to increase an audience without putting in extra work. It's these social media networks, to be precise. As an example, YouTube and even TikTok. Yes, TikTok. And the reason that it is currently the most popular algorithm, even more viral than YouTube. Now let's talk about some of the advantages of using TikTok. You can generate content without having to expose your face, which is a huge advantage. It is quite simple to create content on this platform. All you need is your phone. And it is for this reason that anybody nowadays has access to a smartphone and a camera, which is all you need to create a TikTok video. When I first started on TikTok, it was shocking how fast my profile grew. I got tons of views, likes, and follows overnight. TikTok, however, doesn't sell particularly well. TikTok's users and visitors aren't interested in purchasing anything. For example, I had a video that went viral in less than 2 days with over 1 million views. I was encouraging people to click on the link in my bio and sign up for the new product that I was marketing. And well, here's a surprise. I received over 1,000 leads overnight, but not a single one purchased the product. Insane, right? Unlike for YouTube, I generate over 1,000 leads and around 6 to 7% of them purchase my product. That being said, I'm here to tell you that short form content like TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube Shorts are nothing more than a lead magnet for your website visitors. Basically, it's just an introduction to get people interested in your company and your brand in general. There's nothing more to say. The goal here is to channel your popularity so that you can properly nurture the visitors who come to your site via social media and pre-sell them on whatever service, program, or product you are attempting to sell them. Your number one goal should be to transition your audience away from that platform and onto a platform that will generate revenue and sales for them and assist them in building a long-term sustainable business. The number of subscribers, watchers, comments, and other forms of engagement on YouTube is significantly higher, and the platform is dominant. So the following part I'd like to discuss with you is your products. As of right now, it is feasible to make money as an affiliate marketer without having your own blog or website. It is possible to just use affiliate company websites. It involves marketing things and then receiving commissions on sales once the products have been purchased. Price is a very important consideration when considering what you want to market and sell, and I want you to keep this in mind when making your decision. So I'll say that driving traffic to lower ticket products such as those that cost $100 or less, or pushing products to higher ticket products such as those that cost $2,000 to $5,000 is the same thing in general because the conversion rate in our industry is between 1 and 2% in general. Avoid being intimidated by offering a more expensive service or product, as well as promoting one as an affiliate for another program. Consider the following. You are a macro coach in the fitness industry and you do not currently sell a product yourself. However, your friend in the same industry may be asking you to assist him in promoting his product for $5,000 fee in exchange for which you will receive 40% of all sales made by your friend as compensation for simply assisting him in generating new clients. You can create a sales funnel based on this offer. As an added bonus, instead of selling 100 units of low ticket offer, you can sell 10 units affiliate high tickets offer in order to get $10,000 a month in commissions. I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge from today's video. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.